Welcome to round 8. So we've worked our legs, we've worked our back, we've worked our chest. Now we're going to do a bit of work around the shoulders and trap area. Now this is probably one of the most overused muscle groups, so we're not going to do too much. And as you can see, I've actually gone lighter in weight. To start off with, we'll start in the sitting position. If you feel comfortable and if you feel strong enough, there's no reason why you can't do this exercise standing up. But just to start out with, let's take a seat on your bench or your chair or a step, holding the weights on your thighs. Now the movement is simply going to be raising the dumbbells up above our head, touching at the top. This enforces that we use full range and then coming all the way down, our elbows by our side. Your arms want to stay in line with your ears. So you don't want to push your arms out in front. You should not be able to see the actual dumbbells. You probably won't get as many repetitions out with this exercise as you did with your back, your chest, and your squats. Why? Because your shoulders are a smaller muscle groups. So again, start on a lighter weight and see how you go. If you get 12 to 15 repetitions out, you may be able to go a little bit heavier. We're only aiming for about 8 to 12 repetitions with the shoulder press. Keeping in mind that although we call it a shoulder press, you are also working your traps. And it's the only exercise you need for that region.